The Am I Clean campaign is an effort to clean up the Hampton Roads transit amenities for everyone to have a nice ride. For every HRT amenity, there is a QR code that will give passengers the option to provide feedback on the condition of the stop. Making a report is quick and easy. Just scan the QR code using your smartphone, follow the link to gohrt.com/clean, enter the bus stop number, which you can find on the sign marking the stop. You can then report issues such as an overflowing trash can, graffiti, broken glass, and more. This link also allows for positive feedback. If the stop is clean and in good condition, riders will have the option to share that feedback as well. Your feedback will allow HRT to better utilize our cleaning services and provide more informed data for making critical improvements throughout the transit system. Thank you for using the Hampton Roads Transit System. We hope you enjoy your ride.